If you have ever spent hours scrolling through Amazon trying to find that perfect KDP niche, one that is profitable, low in competition, and high in demand, then you will know how frustrating and how stressful it can be. It's like digging for treasure without a map, and as a self-publisher, you wouldn't want to publish a book that no one is searching and no one is buying. Finding a niche that sells on KDP isn't always easy, especially with so many options out there. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 random KDP niches you may want to try. And trust me, they check all the boxes. High in demand, low in competition, and it makes real high profit for self-publishers that have already published on these niches. Whether you're just getting started with self-publishing or you've been at it for a while now and yet you're recording low sales, this video is going to save you a ton of time and give you a head-on your next winning book idea. So you may want to stick around to the end of this video to be able to grab every detail of it. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you love this type of content, you may want to just subscribe, turn on your notification bell as you get notified each time I upload any video. Now let's dive into the video. The first niche I'll be talking about in this video is gadgets coloring book for kids. This niche is a very fun niche for kids, and it is evergreen. It is not seasonal. Like, anyone can search for it on Amazon KDP any day and buy it, and it's very fun and beautiful because it's a compilation of different kind of toys and gadgets, coloring images of toys and gadgets for children. To determine the competition, demand, and niche search, looking at the total search result, you can see that it is less than 1,000. It is just 545. So there is opportunity here to still create and publish. Individually published, just 13 individuals have published on this niche. Niche score is very, very high, meaning that people are searching for this niche. You can see it's a very good one to try. Judging by the search results, it is still very less competitive. There are not too much competition on this niche, so there is still opportunity for anyone that wants to create and publish on this gadget coloring books for kids. On the first page of Kindle store, you will see the amount of reviews each of the title has. Any from 100, more than 100, a lot of reviews. This is 99. This is 374. This is 27. This is 715. And these reviews is an indication that these sellers are recording sales. For the interior aspect of it, you can see how the interior looks like. This is just like an aircraft with different colors, samples to color it. This is what it looks like. Different color images of different type of cars, aeroplane, and different toys for kids to color. So this is the first niche, which is still very much untapped. You can try it. Judging by the reviews, you can also see that these people are recording sales. And when you check the bestseller rank, to determine if there is demand for this niche, you check bestseller rank of different books published by individuals to determine demand. Because if a bestseller rank is less than 300,000, it shows that the seller is recording sales. For instance, this is independently published. The bestseller rank is 110,182. So it's less than 300,000. It shows that this person is recording sales. When you check different departments where the categories of this niche is just 38 in pastel drawing, 93 in children painting books, 1,573 in children coloring books. So you can see that this person is making a whole lot of sales. This is also independently published. The bestseller rank is 15,071 in books, and it shows that there is demand for this niche, for this particular seller. And going down to other departments where this niche is published, the categories where it is categorized on KDP is just 34 in Easter holiday, 158 in children Easter book, 323 in children coloring book, and that is overall bestseller rank is just 15,071. And when you check 15,071, determine how much is making every day. 15,071. So this person is recording 18 copies every day, 540 copies every month, $69 every day, and $2,079 every month. So this is an indication that this seller is actually recording sales. Then the third person, individually published, the bestseller rank is 173, 607 in books, which is less than 300,000. Going further to different departments, different categories, is 194 in children's crafts and hobby, 1,760 in children arts, music and photography, 2,373 in children coloring book. So you can see from the bestseller rank, this niche is high in demand and very profitable for the self-publishers that have already created and published this book. Under this gadget coloring book for kids, there are different titles. So you're not just going to create a book and title it gadget coloring books for kids. You just have to choose a title that is related to gadgets coloring book for kids. For instance, this is Hot Wheels Super Speed coloring books. So it's still under gadgets. This is Inspector Gadgets coloring book. A fantastic gift for kids, adults, and fans who wants to relax and have fun. So there are different titles you can get under this gadget coloring book. So you don't just have to create a book and title it gadgets coloring book. So you also have to craft a unique name for your book, a unique title for your book before you publish. So I'm going to be checking interior of one of these books to know what the interior looks like. For instance, let's check this. This is what the interior looks like. You can see these are different coloring images of kids, different types of toys for kids to color, and this can easily be created with ChatGPT and Canva. As you can see, for the past 30 days this book has been doing so well. It went up and came down. So that's a confirmation that self-publishers who have created and published this book are recording sales every month. The second niche I'll be talking about today is fashion coloring book for kids age 3 to 6. When you search for this book, you can see the search result is just 251. I mean, it's less than 1,000, and it shows that the competition is very low. And self-publishers are just 4 on this niche. So it's a very good niche you may want to try. It's compilation of different coloring images of little boys and girls wearing different kind of fashion. You can actually craft something, a unique title from this niche and create it and publish. You can see the reviews from different sellers. Most of them are not self-publishers. It's only 4 self-publishers that have created this niche. So you can see how the interior look, one of the books looks like. Cute and easy coloring book. These are coloring images of children wearing different kind of fashion. Fashion coloring book is something you may want to try. And from the bestseller rank of those that are published on this book, one of the individuals that have created this book, the bestseller rank is 102,573 in books. And in other categories, is doing so well. It's 27 in children fashion books, 41 in children travel game books, and 1,477 in children coloring books. So it's doing amazing. It's really an indication that this seller is recording sales every day. This is the second niche you would love to try. And one good thing about publishing a low content niche is that it's very easy to create and publish. You keep publishing until you get the one that will give you the break record that you're looking for. This is what the interior looks like. This is it. So it's something that is very easy to create using ChatGPT and Canva free version. The third one I'll be talking about today is interior decor coloring book for adults. This niche is very fun, like it's really fun to create, because looking at those that have created it, you can see that interior decor, just interior, you can just generate different coloring images of different interior decor of a house or other stuff. For instance, this is Color at Home, a young house love coloring book. This is independent. This is not independently published anyways, but it's, the bestseller rank is very good, 55,843. So this is just an example of what this book should look like. Color at home, different decor at home to color. So it's just compilation of different decor, home decor images to color. This title is Dream Home Modern Farmhouse and Interior Design Coloring Book. This is actually fun to try, and it's just for adults. For kids, if you search for interior coloring book for kids, the search result is way too high. That means there is too much competition on that. So try interior decor coloring book for adults. The competition is low, and the competition is low, and the search results shows that people are searching for it is above 50, and the next scroll shows that people are searching for it is above 50, and the total search result is actually above 1,000. It's still within 1,000 though, but the independently published is just 10. So it shows that there is still opportunity, and for individuals that have created and published this book, they are actually recording sales. So it's these three niches. You may want to try them, and trust me, it's very easy to create. I mean, I've made a video on how to create a coloring book using Canva. I've made that video, and it's a step-by-step guide on how to do that, how to calculate your dimensions, trim size, paper size, and how to design it, how to practically create a coloring book on Amazon KDP. So you may want to try to watch that video. I'll leave a link in my description. I will leave a link in the description of this video. So you may want to click on it. It will take you to that video that I've already made. So just let me know if you are going to try this. So see if you can try these three different KDP niches I've mentioned in this video and publish, and see if you can record sales. Like, there is still opportunity here. For self-publishers who have created and published it, they are recording sales. So it's worth trying. Alright, that will be all for this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to you. I'll see you again in my next video.